ya, yang butuh ini. Afternoon, kid.
Use to move the cursor on the
Okay, good afternoon, kid.
Good
Can you hear
afternoon,
me?
sir.
Okay. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Can, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, students, today we will continue our lesson that's about Scratch. Yeah, but before we continue, like usually, Juan won't give to you 5 point from class dojo, especially for the student have done typing until box number. What number, kid? Who still remember? Yeah, number 1 in advance. Yeah, if you have done number 1 in advance, I give 5 points for you. Okay. Well, Frida, what about this one? Why can I like this? Not yet complete. Gilgilido and Iqbal. I will give point for you. 5 points. Gilgilido. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Iqbal also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next. Okay, Ramos, Jordan. Samuel, little more. Ramos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Serlisin and Tirza. Tirza. Okay, the next. Valerie. Valerie. Okay, students, that's about your typing. Yeah, I want to remind especially for Samuel Littlemore and Belfrida. Later, if you have done, you can chat me. So I will give 5 points for you. Okay, students, before we continue to the next, I want to give this one for you, quiz for kids. Okay, if you know to answer, please raise hand, and then I call your name. I will give point for you if you can answer this one. Okay, who is the first raise hand? I will call you, and then you can speak. Jadi don't answer directly if before I call your name. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Okay.
Which device is used to move
If
the
you know, raise
cursor
hand.
on the computer screen? Scanner.
Who's the first? Nadine. Okay, Nadine, please.
D. Mouse.
The mouse. Okay, let's see. That's right or not?
Monitor. Printer. Mouse. The correct answer is mouse.
Yeah. Which device is used to move the cursor on the computer screen? Okay, the answer is mouse. Okay, good job, Nadine. Continue to the next question.
Which key is the longest key in the keyboard? Backspace.
Who's first? Okay, Samuel. What Samuel?
C.
C. Okay, can you read?
Space bar.
Space bar. Okay, let's see. That's right or not?
Shift key. Space bar. Enter key. The correct answer is space bar.
Okay, the correct answer is bar, space bar, which is the longest key in the keyboard. Ya, yang paling panjang tombol di keyboard itu adalah space bar. Okay, the answer is space bar. Continue. Okay, I want to remind you, please later remind me how many times you can answer, yeah, so I can give you a point.
Which is the first computer? Laptop, abacus, personal computer, mainframe computer. The
No
correct answer is
No one? No one to try? Okay, Nadine first.
C. Personal computer.
Personal computer. Okay, I want to see just now who is again. Okay, Gilgilido, what's your answer?
Same like Nadine.
Same with Nadine. Okay, Tirja, you have the other answer? The other answer?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Abacus.
Abacus. Abacus. Okay, nggak ada lagi yang lain? We lock ya, kita kunci. Okay, let's see.
abacus.
Okay, the right answer is abacus. Tirza. Okay, good, Tirza. Abacus, the first computer. Okay, next.
Hi, friends. Doing great.
Oh,
7 more questions to go. Which is called the brain of the computer? Processor, motherboard.
okay, who's the first? Tirza.
B. Motherboard.
Motherboard. Okay, have the other answer? The other answer? Gilgi?
Motherboard.
Motherboard. No one have the other answer? Okay, Iqbal.
Processor, sir.
Processor. Oke, we lock ya. Kita kunci. Who is the siapa yang paling benar?
Computers in the card. Enter. Laptop. Frame computer. Hi friends, doing great. Which is called the brain of the computer.
Otak daripada komputer.
Motherboard, monitor, keyboard. The correct answer is processor.
Okay. Iqbal. You have good answer. Ya. Okay, Iqbal. Now we continue.
Which device
Oh, already have. Gilgi.
Yes, sir.
Gilgilido, what the answer?
Scanner.
Scanner. Okay, have the other answer, student? Nadine?
Printer, maybe?
What, Nadine?
B, printer.
Printer. Okay, let's see, student. Who is the winner, yeah? Okay.
is used to create the hard copy of a document? Scanner, printer, speaker, mouse. The correct answer is printer.
Okay, good job, Nadine. Yeah, printer.
Which of the following
Okay, student, I think enough. Yeah, enough for today. Who is just now? Let me know. I want to give point. Nadine, how many times?
2 times, sir.
2 times. Okay, Iqbal?
1, sir.
1. This again. Firza?
1 time, sir.
Okay, one more. Who is again?
I, sir.
Okay, Samuel. Okay, ready, yeah? Okay, students. Let's continue our lesson. Maybe next time we have again like this one, yeah? You can answer. Okay, student. This one. Yeah. Our learning objective today is oh yeah, sorry. This one ya, kid. Oh ya, tadi salah ini. Still, ya, this one. Game zombies attacks. Ya, game zombies attacks. See your hand out, students, to give the script to the sprite. Jadi kita membuat zombie ya, game zombie attacks. Yeah, maybe last time you still remember about this one. Okay, do you still remember? Kid, masih ingat tak ada game seperti ini? We have done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, we have done this one. But have the different with this game today. What the different, kid?
Have a zombie, sir.
What Ramos? Can you repeat?
Have a zombie.
Have a zombie. Okay, good. Last time only this one, yeah. Then now have a zombie. And then what again? Have a zombie. That's good. Good answer. The other? Have this one. What's this, kid?
Forest.
What, Nadine?
Forest.
Forest. The forest, I think, have also. This one.
Life and point.
Yeah, I think before we don't have this one. Sebelumnya kita nggak punya ini. Life and point. Life is nyawa. Point. Ya, point ya. Before we don't make this one. Yeah, so today we make life and point. Yeah, and have zombie like Ramos said just now. That the different with before ya, sebelumnya. Okay, and I want to ask you, if you select this one, life and point, this is how to make this one. In where? In pellet what?
Variable.
What, Samuel?
Variable.
Okay, good, Samuel. Variable. Ya, emang di grade 8 ini, ya, ini kita actually study atau learn about variable ya. So kita gunakan use variable. We use variable in this game. Ya, jadi kita menggunakan variable di game ini. Okay, students. After that, we continue. Yeah, this one. Look at this. Like Ramos said just now, have zombie. Yeah, we say this one example of zombie ya. Ini contoh daripada zombie kit. This one and also this one. Dan zombinya itu akan selalu clone. Clone itu akan memperbanyak terus. Semakin banyak dia ya. Yeah. So later tugas kita kit. Ya, we are in here, kita di sini. Kita yang mengendalikan ini. We shoot the zombie. If you shoot the zombie, you get point. You get point. But if the zombie touch you, ya, akan menyentuh kamu, so your life is drop. Do you know drop? Apa drop kit? What the meaning in here? Drop. Nyawanya, life-nya akan semakin
Berkurang.
ya, berkurang atau menurun. Ya, menurun. Dan jika ya, kita menggunakan if ya. Jika nyawanya berkurang ya, berkurang sampai 0, maka kamu akan kalah. Game over. Dan sebaliknya, ya, sebaliknya, if your point, kita nanti buat beberapa poinnya. Contoh di example, if you get point 300, maka kamu akan menjadi winner. Itu nanti kita buat di situ. Okay, you can see on your handout kit. You have handout? Ada di handoutnya kit? Like this one. Have? Ramos, do you have? Okay. Last time we have already made the pedal game, and now we go to zombies attacks. Yeah, zombie attacks game in here. Syndicate, you can set. Kamu bisa atur zombinya ini. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, bisa kamu atur sendiri di sini, ya, diatur nanti zombinya. Oke, bisa kita perbesar, perkecil, dan posisinya di mana, up to you ya. Oke, Ya, also like this one, the tank. Tanknya juga. And you must remember, yang sangat penting sekali waktu itu, waktu pembuatan tank, apa yang di sini harus diperhatikan, Kit? What we must pay attention in here? Apa yang harus diperhatikan di sini?
Dia harus dipaskan sama titik di tengah itu.
Ya, good answer, Ramos. You still remember? You must put in the middle of the point, ya, titik poin yang ada di situ. The function, apa fungsinya, Ramos? What is the function? Okay, it's okay. Ya, who is that?
Mengatur posisi.
Ya, posisi apanya? Nanti supaya tidak lari posisi. Posisi apa? Gergi.
Yang bergerak.
Bergerak tanknya. Ya, kalau pergerakan tank, ya, the moving of tank itu is okay, no problem. Kalau nggak di posisi titiknya pun bisa digerakkan to the left, to the right, up and down, it is okay. Tapi bukan, I think not bad. Okay, what is that, Gilgi? The important one, yang penting sekali, ya, posisinya tadi harus diletakkan di titik tengah-tengah tadi, supaya ketika nanti kita membuat bullet, do you know bullet, student?
Yes.
What is that?
Peluru.
Iya, peluru. Peluru. Ya, ketika kita buat bulletnya nanti, supaya pelurunya tadi tidak lari. The example, later we want to make the bullet. We hope, yeah, we want bullet get out from here. This one. Yeah. But if you don't make the position, good position in the middle of the point, ya, nanti bulletnya itu bisa keluarnya bukan dari sini, tapi bisa dari sini. Atau dari sini. So you must put your position, ya, good position, ya, harus dibuat good position di sini. Oke, sudah paham, Kit? Itulah fungsi daripada peletakan posisi di tengah-tengah poin tersebut. Oke, Ramos? Okay. The other student also, I hope you understand about this one. Okay, we continue to the next slide. Yeah, this is also very important. This is bullet. Ini kita contohkan sebagai peluru. You must also put this one in the middle of the point, di tengah-tengah daripada poin titik tadi. Ya, here. You cannot see the point because I already put this bullet in here, ya. Jadi dia ketimpa sama bullet ini. Ya. How if you want to change the color of it? How the way? Kamu mau ganti warna ini warna biru, example. What you click it? If you want to change the bullet with the blue color, which one you click? Atau how the way?
I think click the bucket, sir.
The bucket. Which one? Can you show me?
Dua di bawah kursor itu, sir.
Oh, this one, Nadine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can click this is directly, so have the blue color here. Yeah, Nadine?
I think.
Okay, you think if you click this one, so this is directly blue color. In where you can set the color. Di mana bisa pengaturan colornya? Which one?
I think in fill, sir.
Iya, you must set here ya. Iya, set you choose color here. Okay, you can click this one small arrow. So many option here, banyak pilihan di sini ya, pilihan warna. And then you can choose one of the color. After that you click this one, and then you click here. Okay, that's the way how to make atau set mengatur daripada ballot. Iya. This is student backdrop. Backdrop, do you know backdrop, student? What is backdrop?
Background.
Ya, background latar belakang. Ya, maksudnya di sini latar belakangnya apa nanti? Ya. Oke, student, did you still remember from where we take this one? The forest, ya, ini hutannya atau lapangannya. Dari mana kita ambil Kit?
Choose backdrop.
Backdrop.
Oh, I think no have in backdrop. Kalau di scratch backdrop, no have.
Itu sering aja.
Iya, Ramos. From where?
From sir.
From?
From you, yes, sir.
From me. Okay. Okay, I take this one from, yeah, you take from me. I take this one from, yeah. Okay, in scratch, no, have in scratch this one. Okay, later we try ya, kita coba nanti have in scratch or not this one. Backdrop scratch. Yeah. But I already teach you, if we want to take the backdrop from the other scratch, selain daripada scratch, you can also take from Google ya, from Google, ya. Atau dari internet, atau from your device, from dari komputer kamu. Device di sini can from your laptop atau your computer. Okay. Students, now we try first. Later, if we don't have enough time, kalau nggak punya cukup waktu, we continue to the next meeting ya. Next meeting kita akan melanjutkan about game of zombies attack. Yeah, I open Scratch. If you have computer or laptop in front of you, you can also open it, your Scratch. Open your Scratch. So you can practice directly. Oh yeah, student. If you need the application, yeah, Scratch application, you can chat me personally ya. I will send to your WhatsApp if you don't have Scratch application. Or if you have not installed, kalau belum diinstal juga, you can chat Sir Juan, I will give to you. Ya, coba kita directly go to backdrop first ya. Kita go to backdrop. This is what? Backdrop. Ya. If we see in here, okay, kalau kita perhatikan di sini, ya, this is all. All it mean berarti semua tipe, semua jenis, all type have in here. Ya. All type have in here. If we see from the first until the last, yeah, we don't see like just now. Oh yeah, who's this? Samuel ya. Belum punya thanks-nya. Oke, letter Samuel I will give for you. Ya. Okay, let's see student backdrop, atau if you open your Scratch application on your laptop, please see the backdrop. Apakah ada? Is the same backdrop with mine? I think no have ya. Yeah. And you can see also in here, ya, kita lihat one by one. Ya, fantasy no have, music no have, sport no have, also outdoor. It is outdoor. No have also. Yeah. Indoor, this one no have. Space, di ruang angkasa. No have also. Underwater, only two. Pattern, no have. Okay, we don't have. So, how if we want to take from the other backdrop? Okay, look at this, student. Just now we click this one. Ya, in here choose a backdrop. Ini sama dengan yang tadi. Nah, di sini search. Ya. If we choose this one, paint. Ini menggambar gambar kita sendiri, Kit. Ya. Nah, kita mau buat gambar sendiri. Example, we want to make backdrop this one. Nah, this one. This backdrop. The example ya, Kit, ini contoh. Okay, look at that. So your backdrop, this one. Ini kalau dari paint. Ya. If this one surprise, ini ya perhatikan, ya ini yang ada di sini. Jadi apa yang muncul itulah dia. Ini surprise. Ya, ada yang seperti ini, Kit. Jadi dia tiba-tiba, Kit. Apa yang muncul itu yang dia buat. Ya. Sometimes can like this, sometimes like this. Jadi apa saja yang terpilih oleh Scratch itu sendiri. Tidak bisa kita pastikan, oh this is this one. Enggak, tapi kita kapan dia muncul itulah yang ada. Itu kalau surprise. So, now this is very important, Kit. This is the last. Ini yang terakhir, upload backdrop. Inilah tadi yang kalau tidak ada di Scratch. If you don't have in Scratch your backdrop, ya you can find ya upload backdrop. Dari sini, Kit. You choose this one. Klik. Ya, in here. We want to take backdrop from our device, our computer or laptop. So you need, jadi kamu di sini, Kit, butuh what, Kit? Butuh apa kamu di sini supaya bisa kamu ambil backdrop? Kamu di sini butuh
butuh gambar.
Ya, gambarnya. Kamu harus sudah punya gambar yang mana kamu simpan di komputer atau di laptop kamu sendiri. Itu dia. Jadi upload backdrop ini, ya you can take the picture from your device, baik itu laptop atau komputer. Sekiranya backdrop tadi itu belum ada di komputer kamu, how the way, what you do, Kit?
Download.
Iya, download ya Samuel. Itu kata yang download. Coba Serjuan masih ada nggak saya download yang kemarin? Oh, sudah lama sekali ya. Mungkin sudah tidak ketemu lagi ya, Kit. Oke, caranya gini aja, Kit. Kita download, Kit. We download ya, Kit. Ya. Ya, kita buka Google. Ya, ini cara mengambil backdrop dari Google ya, Kit. Kita simpan dulu di komputer. Ya, coba kita background. Ya, what we make ya. Background. Atau kita buat forest ya, forest background. I also forget it what the name. Ya, klik gambar. Oh, no have. Background untuk run. Oh. Which one you have? Okay, you can find also. Maybe you can get the same backdrop with mine. Ya, kalau bisa dia tampilannya dari atas gitu. If can we take from up ya. Kita mengambil tampilan backdrop itu dari atas. Oh. Oh, this one can ya. Oke, di example kit, I forget later I can find. Ya, coba ini kita coba dulu kit. We try this one first. We try this one. Ya, klik. Oke, we download ya, download. Atau kita right click, save as, save image as, save image as. Oke, ya di sini langsung ditujukan menyimpan. We save in download folder. And the name, ya buat backdrop. Backdrop 1, contohnya backdrop 1. Save. Ya, now we go to Scratch. Kita sudah simpan tadi di download ya, kita download backdrop 1. The name is backdrop 1, this one. Ya, coba kita go to Scratch. Ya, go to Scratch and then we click this one, upload ya, upload backdrop. And then we click download. Ya, this backdrop 1. Oke, ready kit. Kita mau perbesar bisa kit ini? Ya, kita perbesar juga bisa. Oke, students, that's the way how to make a backdrop ya. Backdrop from the other, ya dari yang mana saja. Oke, students, time is over. Later we can continue next time ya, next meeting ya, how to make script and how to make backdrop. Oke, thank you for the attention. Atau ada pertanyaan before I close, before I leave? Oke,
No.
next time we can continue ya. Oke, thank you student, thank you for attention. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye kid.
Bye, sir.